This is a brand new 2013 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Continental Acura is a proud member of the Naperville Test Track. Visit us today for your best test drive experience ever.